Hi everyone, this is Zoya. The Unity project that I've made for this hackathon is a game called Scrap. The advancements done by me in the previously made coin collecting game are I have changed the environment. I have made this environment a low poly public park. And the character, as you can see, is made by using some cubes attached together. In the park, there is a lot of scattered crumbled paper, also made using small cubes. As we can see, the park doesn't look clean at all. So the meaning of the game is to pick the trash up and throw it in the dustbin we can see in the middle of the park. Let's play the game to see further changes. So this is the game. As you can see, my system's unique ID is displayed on the screen, and we have a counter called garbage collected that keeps a count of number of pieces we pick and throw in the dustbin. I'll try moving the player first. As you can see, the player can move in any direction we want it to move. I'll go and pick a piece of garbage and throw it in the dustbin. As you can see, I picked one piece, so my score gets 1. Similarly, I have to pick up other pieces and throw them in the dustbin to make the park clean again. Also, a background music has been added to make the experience better. These are the assets that have been used in making of this game. Two scripts have been added. One is for controlling the player movements and everything, and the other is for controlling the score.